Welcome to Luxury of Money, and in today's video we are going to be looking at 5 most expensive construction mistakes in the world. Have you ever wondered if mistakes are made during the grand design and creation of buildings? Then watch on to find out about the top 5. Before we get started, don't forget to give the video a like if you enjoy luxury videos. Let's kick off the video with number 5. Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is well known around the world, but one thing you can't tell just by looking at it is that the Opera House is one of the world's failed projects. The building was intended to be built in 4 years and a budget of 7 million Australian dollars, but despite this, it took a staggering 14 years and a large $14 million cost. A second error appeared, which was acoustical flaws costing almost $300 million. Number 4. Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington. In 1940, in the state of Washington, USA, a twin suspension bridge was built. The bridge cost $6 million, however, the bridge only lasted around 4 months due to engineering flaws. During dangerous winds, the bridge would sway in the wind and buckle, and 2 halves of the bridge collapsed into the river below. Luckily, no one was injured during this accident. Number 3. The Aon Center. The tallest structure building was built in 1974 and is one of Chicago's tallest buildings that exists today. Cracks in the building began to form, and a very thin material of structure pieces of slab fell to the ground below. This mistake ended up costing a whopping $80 million. Number 2. The Walkie-Talkie. This London-based structure has the nickname of walkie-talkie due to its design, costing over £2 million. But a huge mistake began to arise as the building started acting like a mirror, with sunlight reflecting off the building and onto the street. This caused damage to many things, even melting parts of cars. And to end the video, number 1. Cheongsu Bridge Collapse. Cheongsu Bridge is in Seoul. In 1994, the central part of the bridge collapsed into the Han River. Unfortunately, 31 people lost their lives during this event. $185,000 of compensation was paid out due to the deaths. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please consider giving the video a like and subscribe if you want more content. We post shorts related to money and investing and weekly full-length video content just like this video. We aim to bring you high-quality videos on several topics from buildings, tech, cars, money.